I made $988 in a single trade in a single day. How? This is day 6 of my forex trading journey, generating $50,000 in profits in 6 months. So basically, see, I started from $100,000 as this is my paper trading account and I am on my forex journey, and I on the first day made $40 in profit, which was just by luck. I studied the values, I studied the technical analysis, but yes, you can't generate thousands of dollars of profits just by studying these statistics and these analysis and measurement techniques. This was, I suppose, was by just luck, as I was seeing that green candle is going up, so I just put a buy trade, and when I thought okay, it's enough, and I closed my position. So that's how I got it on my $100,000 account. But you see, every trader goes through losses before he or she starts or they starts getting their profits. It is a mental psychology that we need to understand, that there are losses also. You see on these YouTube channels that I made $100,000, I made $2,000 in profits. They are only showing you the winnings, they are not showing you the losses they incur. If they are winning around 60% of the time, they are also losing 40% of their trades. These are the things we have to keep in our minds. You can see consistently I lost $25, then $29, then 19, then it kept on increasing. Here it got up to $1,385. Have I not placed my stop loss here, I would have gotten to even zero, and I would have made two new account. But here I got $144, because then I started to understand that what exactly my strategy would be. You need to try and test different strategies again and again to test whether which methods and tools is suitable for your own mindset and your own trading strategy, which can be profitable for you and make you in turn a profitable trader. See, $46, $95, and then gradually on 4th April, I made nearly $1,000 in profits. How? Now let me show you. This was on basically USD JPY, and I started from Euro USD. This is Euro USD, and you can see still my stop loss is placed on it here. You can see this was my zone, and I placed here, and it went up and up and up, and now it's falling down, and my stop loss is here. This, it even crossed this zone. And how much higher I placed this, why I placed this, if I zoom out, you can see that major structure level in the past 2-3 weeks has touched this. So I imagined, or I analyzed that after a month or after a week, nearly a month actually, after a month the price will again go up in this direction, continuing the major structure level. What is major structure level? Actually, major structure level is these levels of structure which it continues historically again and again to keep the market in trend continuation. But here I made losses also. As you can see, these arrows actually shows where I placed my orders, and you can see how much I actually suffered losses more than the profits. See, here, here, and here, I made so many losses. This line actually represents the exponential moving average. For another video, I suppose, here I will show you how I got to the point. This is Australian dollar and USD. Here I placed my stop loss. I analyzed, if there is a pullback, then there has to be the uptrend. Basically, if the trend is going down, it will reverse the trend and it will move up, as it is a game of constant pushbacks and pullbacks, right? So it went up, then down, then up. Here I encountered something which I studied, and I will tell you what it is. It is known as 38.2% candle, as known as Fibonacci retracement. When you touch this, so the candle from the lower wick of a candle to the highest wick of a candle, the body of the two candles should be inside this 38.2% zone. Since it is a very big candle, so it comes because here the green candle is also in this zone. So I know that okay, now the trend is going to be bullish because it was in downtrend. So the trend reversed and it did got to my zone, which I marked here 0.6626236, and crossed my stop loss. It was this stop loss you can see here was on this mark because uh, you can say a risk management, which is also we need to consider that we have to take in consideration a good risk management strategy. It is very crucial and it is very important because it mitigates the risk of your losing trades by a very high rate, so you can be an efficient trader. Strong buy, here it is showing strong buy because it is an uptrend as I placed. If and last time I placed my bet here on this point and I exited here in the 4-hour chart. We are on a 4-hour chart. I will show you on a daily chart and it will show you a strong uptrend here, and it has crossed already my mark of region in merely 3 days. And now we will move to USD JPY, US dollar and Japanese yen. And here you can see I have showed all the analysis. Here this is a Fibonacci retracement and this came under 38.2% candle plus 1. It means this candle and this candle, these both are inside 38.2% region. So I got confirmation that okay, the trend will be in uptrend because it was already in uptrend. Now back testing, I back tested how many times this has been repeated. It is a very beneficial factor for us. And then I placed the trade here. It went up. You can see how much higher I placed my stop loss, and it went up to actually, and then it came down, then it went up again, and I exited at this point here because I was knowing it is going to be go down and my losses will be very much harmful for me. Next factor is these news. You have to take care of these news because they mark crucial movements in the day due to a speech or any movement or any law passed. They affects the prices. Here it is showing strong buy and everything in green, and you will be happy. Okay, so these are also the marks which you can see that okay, in 1 week how much performance is there, in 1 month how much performance is there. So hopefully the trade will be going upwards, but the whole key is to identify your key measurement metrics and placing them and aligning them into a full-blown strategy with technical analysis. This which basically makes you a profitable trader. For today, this much only. For next time, I will meet you again. Bye bye.